Flex, my bitch love go
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So as y'all can hear them sounds, that is me walking on ice right now. And I want to let y'all know, man, it is cold as fuck out here. Now as y'all can see, there's no more ice on the road, man. No more ice. But I'm having a big problem right now. I can't start my car, man. I came out here, you know, I got a push start. And every time I'm pushing this motherfucker, now you want to start. Ain't this some shit? Ain't this some shit? My car was just not started earlier, y'all. Hold up. Ain't this some shit? I promise y'all, man, the first time I came out here, bro, my car was not starting. And now you mean to tell me the second time? You see, look, I wish y'all can see. Every time I talk, it's literally smoke coming out my mouth, man. It is that cold outside, bro. It's 19 degrees outside, man. I miss the height, bro. I ain't gonna count to you, man. I know it used to be like 95 degrees, almost close to 100, but I miss that shit, bro. 100. I miss that shit, fam. I can't do this cold, bro. And even though, you know, this my birthday month, it's January, I can't do this cold no more, fam. I can't even move when I want to move. Like, I can't do nothing, fam. I can't do this, y'all. My car was just not starting, bro. And now out of nowhere, it's just gonna start out of nowhere, fam. This whole time, bro, like, I had came out here early in the morning, right? Around about 7, 8. And I was trying to get in my car because I was gonna record a video for y'all, man. And bro, I'm talking about wind blowing and everything, fam. I'm going through it, trying to cut this car on, bro. I had to like take the key off my damn what's the name. I had to do so much shit, fam. And now this car wanna start, bro. Thank God that it started though. Thank God. But yeah, man, I can't do this cold, y'all. I can't count to you, man. I can't do it. Like, it's real cold outside, fam. Like, on no gay shit, no homo, fam. Like, my meat it ain't even been getting hard, fam. Like, 100, bro. This shit is that serious, bro. My girl been over to the crib. I can't even get hard, fam. I can't do this shit no more, fam. I need the hot back, bro. I like this shit right here, bro. This is not normal weather, my nigga. Like, you know, I'm more up north. You feel me? You know, I had to put the gloves on today, bro. It's that cold, fam. That cold. What do I got on the side of my lip, bro? Why y'all ain't tell me I had something on the side of my lip? Why y'all ain't tell me, bro? Y'all gonna let me cut this camera on and then y'all ain't gonna tell me I got something on the side of my lip, fam? I'm mad at the world today, fam. Like, and look at that right there, bro. They come from eating bad, bro. With this fast food shit, man, I just can't put it down, man. Like, it be so good, fam. Y'all stay tuned for today's video, man. I'm you know what I'm saying, I'm thinking about doing a couple reactions. I'm gonna drop this video for y'all. I just want to let y'all know, man, that this cold is not no joke. Pray for me.